stay disciplined, a proper risk management, and use the level to market data that comes with trader pool. Yeah, it is very powerful.
Alrighty, welcome everybody to another funded trader of Trader Pool. Today, another special funded trader. Edwin is with me on the line. Hi, buddy. Thanks for coming to this interview.
Hello. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so congrats on passing the evaluation. Edwin, for those of you who are not familiar with our program, is basically traded on $20,000 of buying power. That's the mini buying power that we call it. It's also passing the PDT rules. So although it's below the 25K, you can still day trade with that because you're trading a chunk from our pool, basically. And Edwin went through the challenge, the evaluation, passed it, and now is a funded trader. So Edwin, let's talk a little bit about the experience that you have with Trader Pool and the evaluation. Tell us a little bit about that. How long did it take you to pass? So what are you usually trading?
I think first of all that Trader Pool is like an amazing platform.
Thanks.
And what got me to pass exactly keeping to my strategy and low risk management, especially, and keeping the winning trades run.
Okay, so that's something that a lot of the people are saying. That you can read it on Twitter or listen to YouTubers saying, "Let your winners run," right? And let your winners continue to do their thing. We definitely see that our funded traders are doing, just trying to keep even 10% or 20% out of your total position. Just let that run. You will see an extremely better results than just taking all out at once. So let's dive right into your hub. Every trader that join us will get a hub and a special dashboard where you can track his performance, basically. And I want to share with you what is Edwin had here. And so this is the chart. Past the evaluation, reached the goal was 1800. So that was nice. You had a rough start. Tell us a little bit about that before jumping into the profit side.
Yes, exactly. So I needed to figure out for me and for my strategies, it works when there is higher volatility. So until 11 o'clock in New York time for the market open, and maybe in the last hour. And in the first days, I had kind of what I made profit in the beginning. I was also very cautious. And in the afternoon, when there was low volatility, I a little bit jumped back.
Yeah.
So after I balanced out this and perfected, went to trade, it went quite nice, easy.
Yeah, I can definitely see that. A lot of the traders are getting. It takes a little bit time to just to digest and understand what to do at first, because especially guys that trading on their own capital with a broker, they will get a minute to just to digest, to understand what to do when it comes to trading with a prop and different risk management and all of that. You did have a great run at the end. Very nice move to the upside. Some pullbacks, obviously, but generally it looks very nice. Let's look at the trades. You had 128 trades. That's nice. Trading small caps mostly, right?
Yes.
Let's talk about that. Obviously most of our funded traders actually trade in penny stocks and small caps because of the big moves we saw. I see BMR. We traded that yesterday in our live trading room as well. So what is it that so attractive in penny stocks or small caps instead of trading big names like Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon and such?
Well, for me, it's volatility mostly, that it's, as you said as well, that price jumps much quicker. And if there is a good morning gap for it and a good fundamental, then I keep an eye on it. And then I use my strategy if it goes in the direction.
Yeah.
So that's why I like the small float or smaller float stocks mostly.
Interesting to see that you you're buying and selling, so you're not just a short bias, and that's also great to see because you do have the technical side of playing both sides, right? And that's important, especially when it comes to trading different time, like different period of markets cycles, right? Because from time to time the market will be more aggressive to the upside or the downside, ranging. And if you only a short seller, then from time to time you will have some difficulties to short it because the market is just exploding. So this is great that you're mixing it, the longs and the shorts. Tell me a little bit about, let's take a trade BMR for example from it was yesterday, right? Yeah. Did you trade with us in the trading room, in the live trading room?
Yes, yes, I was there.
Okay,
Exactly.
cool.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about that trade, for example. Why did you go long at 1466, cover at 1783?
So I went long because it was a bullish momentum. It really started like skyrocketing then.
Yeah.
I was just looking actually before it started skyrocketing and I changed to a different stock and I missed the entry. So here I entered. And I got out there because I saw that the candles and also the market 2 data that is provided, that it's
Yeah.
a little bit starts playing maybe to the other side.
Okay, so right about here at 1050, you spotted that moment when just before the breakthrough, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so that was a very smooth one, right? Because once you entered, it went straight to your favor and basically reached the target. But this is something that's super important to recognize as well, because from time to time you will have those pullbacks, and then that was an incredible move afterwards. It's always good to leave like 10%, 15, 20% in just in case we will have a nice move to the upside. I actually had the same thing on Nvidia, if you recall. We traded that as well. Remember that? So, once it broke, I took some partials and then I covered, I believe, here around this area. So that's also
Nice.
important, just to leave something in. Very nice. So
Mhm.
everything looks pretty good. You continue right now as a funded trader. You will continue to trade with the $20,000 of buying power. That's how do you feel about that? Is that good enough
It's
capital
more
to
than
trade?
enough.
More than
Yeah,
enough.
it's very good, very good. I use 0.5% risk management per trade,
Hmm,
and yeah, I can make easily a couple hundred
that's
on
amazing.
one trade
Yeah,
with like 0.5% risk. So I think it is very, very good and very powerful buying power.
that's amazing. So just to sum it up, do you have any advice for someone that just watching right now is trying the evaluation? What is it that got you into the funded phase, and you did it quite fast with one attempt? Tell us, the guys that listen in right now, what is it that they need to do in order to pass the evaluation and be a better trader?
I would say that yeah, stay disciplined, proper risk management, and use the level to market data that comes with trade the pool because that's I think it is also very powerful and keeping to the strategy.
Yeah, so that's obviously super important. Gotta work with the right discipline and the right risk management. Yeah, in order to pass the evaluation, but also generally when it comes to trading, just execute right the plan.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yes.
sounds
Perfect.
amazing, Edwin.
Good.
So I wish you best of luck, and if you're obviously interested, we will do another interview in the future, near future, after you will withdraw some funds, so some of the profits, so you will have more knowledge and insights from the program, and the guys that listen in right now will enjoy more content about trading and in generally about the experience with Trader Pool. For those of you guys who didn't check us out yet, go to traderpool.com, join. It's a 14 days free trial, pass the evaluation, get funded, come to this interview with me. Thanks so much, Edwin. Best of luck.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Take care for now. Bye, guys.
Take care. Bye bye.